Now we will insert the different months for our percentage chart. So in the first step, we have to create the values in a table in the sheet data development for the positive and negative months. So we go to cell S8 and we say if the deviation in cell O8 bigger than 0, semicolon, then we will take the months from cell C8, semicolon, and quotation marks for nothing. And we copy it down. And then the same for the negative months. So we say if the value in cell O8 smaller than 0, semicolon, we use the months from cell C8, semicolon, and quotation marks for nothing. Copy it down, and then we will put it in the center, and you see for the positive deviations we have positive months and we have negative months. Now we will go back to the chart, mark the chart, then right mouse key, select data. Here we have the chart for the negative deviations. Go to horizontal axis labels, edit, and we select the months from cells T9 until T19, and OK, and OK. Then we will mark the chart, go to chart design, add chart element, then axis, more axis options, and here at axis options go down to labels, and we select next to axis at label position, and here we have the months from the negative deviations. Then we mark the chart, right mouse key, say send to back. So now we have the positive deviations here, right mouse key, select data, go to edit, add horizontal axis labels, and we use the months from cells S8 until S19. OK, and OK. We mark the chart, go to chart design, add chart element, axis, more axis options, and at axis options go down to labels, and here at label position we select next to axis, and we have the months for the positive deviations. Then we mark the chart, right mouse key, and we say send to back. And now here we have the different months. And if we change the values, just for example here in January we have a positive value, let's change it to a negative value, just for example 20. Go back to chart development, and here we have a negative deviation and the months will also change. That's the trick with the months.